everyone, my name is Zadeka. According to the Ministry of Agriculture, it is known that 80% of farmers experience low yields due to pests, and hence synthetic pesticides are expensive and they are toxic to human health. We decided to come up with such a project of making a biopesticide from locally available materials, as you can see here. So the procedures are the following. We crushed 50 grams of red pepper, and after we placed them on a clean surface, and after we crushed also 50 grams of garlic, half liter of fresh water, and we after decanting we mix it with crushed garlic and red pepper for a night in order to increase the concentration of the materials. Then after we crushed 40 grams of tobacco leaves in order to remove the juice from them. As you can see, the tobacco juice is here. You can also see it. The mixture using a sieve in order to remove the big particles to remain with the finished product, as you can see. Then after you pour your mixture in a spraying gun and go in your garden and use. But before using, make sure that you first shake in order to of this biopesticide. Then now you can see that within 3 seconds the termites are dying. But even if you have cockroaches at home, you can also use this.
So we decided to use the local materials so that we can produce our biopesticide, reduce on the effect of pests. As you see here, we used garlic, red pepper, tobacco, lemon, and do like this. Just 3 seconds. As you are seeing, the pest will be dead.